Hi everyone, I hope you are well and that you are having a great summer. If you are here for the first time, my name is Nicole. Today I'm going to show you another chicken salad. I already have one chicken salad on my channel, which is the coronation chicken, and that is my absolute favorite. But since that one uses mayo, I wanted to show you some healthy alternative. So the chicken salad that I'm going to make today actually uses Greek yogurt and obviously chicken breast. I'm gonna use some seedless red grapes and some celery sticks. So what you need first is some cooked chicken, and it can be any cooked chicken. I have these chicken breasts and I'm gonna poach them. If you want to see the full recipe on how I make the poached chicken, I have it already on my channel and I'm gonna link it in the description box below. So let's get started. And to make the poached chicken, it's super easy. You just put chicken in water, you add some salt. I added some spring onion, you can use yellow onion, some garlic, a few slices of lemon. I added some bay leaves, you can even skip that, and then whole allspice. And then you bring it to boil and cook it for approximately 25 minutes until the chicken breast is fully cooked. So put approximately 3/4 of a cup in a bowl. I'm using half cup here, so that's why I'm doing 1.5. Add 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, add some salt, some black pepper, mix it together. Now I'm gonna take 2 celery stalks, just cut the ends off. Add it to the bowl. I'm gonna use 2 green onions. You can always chop the ends off and peel the top layer off. Then I'll rinse it and chop. Now I have approximately 1 cup of seedless red grapes, and since these are quite large, I'm gonna cut them into quarters. Add them to the bowl and mix together. And as the last thing, I'm gonna add some sliced almonds. I'm gonna use half a cup. And when the chicken is cooked, I'm gonna cut it into cubes, and you need approximately 3 cups of the cooked chicken. So add the chicken to the bowl. And you can put the chicken salad in a wrap or eat it just with a piece of baguette or use it in a sandwich. And if you cook the chicken from scratch, it's better to have it chilled. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy. Have a great day.